Civil Service Exam, word problem number 26. A development project which was financed by ecological organizations amounted to 3.6 million. If there had been two more contributors and the expenses were shared equally, it would cost each organization 300,000 pesos less. How many organizations contributed to the project? So choices 3, 4, 6, 9, or 12. So ang question na ito ay ipiniem lang sa akin. Ayan, good morning po sir. Pwede po patudloon sa sakto na solution, ani. Okay, so try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin na aking solution. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so sabi dito, a development project was financed by ecological organization amounted to 3.6 million. Okay, so yung cost ng project. If there had been two more contributors, okay, so if there had been two more contributors and the expenses were shared equally, it would cost each organization 300 pesos less. So how many organizations contributed to the project? So ang total daw ay 3.6 million tapos nag-share yung mga organization. So yung first equation natin, ilet natin yung X, hinahanap natin how many organizations. Okay, so ito yung organizations, yung original number of organizations. Okay? And then let natin yung Y, yung cost ng bawat organization. Okay, so first equation natin, syempre yung number of organization, i-multiply natin dun sa kanilang contributions or yung cost. So therefore, ang first equation natin, XY is equal to 3.6 million or sabihin na natin, 3,600,000. Okay, so ito ang ating equation number 1. Okay, and then sabi dito, if there had been two more contributors. So contributors, yun yung organization. Kapag nadagdagan ng dalawa yung contributors, the expenses were shared equally, it would cost each organization 300,000 pesos less. Okay, so ibig sabihin itong X ay madadagdagan ng dalawa kasi two more contributors o two more organization, and then yung cost nila, yung Y, mababawasan naman ng 300,000. So syempre equal pa rin yun dito sa 3.6 million. Okay, so therefore ang equation number 2 natin ay X plus 2 dahil meron tayong two more organization or contributors yan. And then, yung cost nila ay mababawasan ng 300,000 pesos. So, minus 300,000 pesos, equal pa rin siya sa 3,600,000 pesos. So, ito ang equation number 2. Ang hinahanap natin ay organizations. So, yung X ang kailangan nating isolve. Okay, so pwede siguro mag-trial and error na lang tayo dito. Kasi yung 3.6 million naman divisible sa 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so pwedeng mag-trial and error kasi pag sinolve natin ito, magiging quadratic equation ito. So ipakita ko na lang yung trial and error tapos ipakita ko rin yung idadiretso natin itong solution. Okay, so sa trial and error muna tayo. Pag nagta-trial and error, suggest natin ang kukuhanin natin itong nasa gitna. So alin man dito sa 4, 6, 9. Okay, so pwede siguro 6 na lang para pinakagitna. So kung 6, ilalet natin ang x ay 6. So ang magiging y natin ay equal sa i-divide lang natin ito. So 36 divided by 6. Yan, so itong 36 lang divided by 6, so that is 600,000. Okay? So 6, may 5 zero, so 600,000. Okay, so i-try natin. Kapag nagdagdag daw ng dalawa, etong 6 pag nagdagdag ng dalawa, so plus 2, ito namang kabila, magma-minus tayo ng 300,000. Okay, so try lang natin kung mag-eksakto siya. So magiging 8 times 600,000 minus 300,000, that is equal to 300,000. Parang hindi siya eksakto. Pag minultiply natin 8 times 3, so 24, ano lang yan, 2,400,000. So ibig sabihin, mali itong C na magiging 6 yung organization. So dahil kulang, o try natin itong sumunod, itong 9, try natin itong 9. Okay, so kung 9 ang number of contributors natin or 9 ng organizations, divide natin itong 36 na 9. 36 divided by 9, parang lalo palang liliit ito. Kasi 36 divided by 9, that is 4. Then may 5 zero, so 400,000. Pag nag-minus tayo ng 300,000 dito, so lalo na siyang lalayo. And then plus tayo ng 2 dito, magiging 11. 11 times 100,000, so lalo nang malabo. So mali itong 9. Ibig sabihin, ang pwedeng sagot na lang ay 3 or 4. Okay, so try natin itong 4. So kung 4 ang x natin, divide natin itong 36 divided by 4, so ito ay magiging 900,000. So tapos plus 2 tayo and then minus 300,000. So 4 times 4 plus 2, so we have 6. And then 900 minus 300,000. So that is equal to 600,000. Okay, eksakto na. So 6 times 6, so that is 3,600,000 pesos. So ito na yung hinahanap natin. Eksakto siya dito sa equation number 2 natin. So therefore, the correct answer is letter B, for yung organization na magko-contribute. Pero ang 4 yung original. So ito pala yung 4 yung original. So how many organizations contributed to the project? Okay, so 4 na nga yung hinahanap natin. Dahil ang sabi dito, kapag nagdagdag daw ng dalawa, 2 more contributors, mababawasan ng 300,000. So therefore, the correct answer is letter B, 4. So equal din siya sa 3,600,000. So ngayon, idiretso naman natin ito. Kung hindi kayo nag-trial and error, pwedeng gamitin natin ito. X ang hinahanap natin, so solve natin yung Y dito. So from equation number 1, solve for Y, magiging siyang divide both sides by X lang, magiging Y is equal to 3,600,000. Or siguro pwede para lumiit, pwedeng gawin na lang natin 3.6 ito. 3.6 over X. So kung 3.6 yan, dapat itong 300,000 dito ay magiging 0.3 na lang. Okay? So gawin natin 0.3 na lang ito. So tapos ito ay, yan. So gawin din natin in terms of ano na lang. Ayan. So equals 3.6. So ito, 3.6 na lang. So pwede na tayong para lumiit yung number natin. Okay? So 3.6. Ito pag kinonvert ito sa, ayan, sa million nga. So magiging 0.3 na lang ito. Okay? So ayan, para mas maliit yung number natin. Itong value, 3.6, i-substitute natin sa value ng y sa equation number 2 dito. And then we have x plus 2 times ang value ng y ay 3.6 over x minus 0.3 equals 3.6. Okay, so next dito ay simplify natin itong nandito. Nandito sa loob, simplify natin. Pag-isahin natin to, cross-multiply lang yan. Ito pwedeng lagyan ng over 1 yan. So, tapos, i-cross-multiply natin. So, medyo mahaba ang solution kapag ito ang ginamit natin kapag hindi tayo nag-trial and error. Okay? So, kaya pinakita ko na agad na solution ay yung trial and error. So, we have just copy x plus 2. So, ito ay magiging 3.6 times 1. So, we have 3.6 minus 0.3 times x. So, we have 0.3x over x equals 3.6. Then multiply both sides by x para makancel ito. So multiply both sides by x. So maka-cancel out na itong denominator natin. And then i-distribute natin ito. Okay, so ayan, medyo haba talaga yung solution natin. So distribute natin ito, x times 3.6, so that is 3.6x. X times 0.3x, so we have minus 0.3x squared. And then ito namang 2. 2 times 3.6, so that is positive 7.2. And then 2 times negative 0.3, so that is negative 0.6x equals 3.6x. So quadratic na siya, ilipat natin lahat sa isang side. Dahil negative itong 0.3x, ilipat natin lahat dito sa side na ito, gawin nating 0 ito. Okay, so ito yung 0, lahat ilipat sa kabila. So itong negative 0.3 magiging positive na siya, 0.3x squared. And then, itong 3.6x, magiging na siyang, or pwede na palang i-cancel ito. 3.6x and then 3.6x, magkaparehas. So, pwedeng i-cancel yon. Pag nag-subtract tayo ng 3.6x to both sides, cancel out na. Okay, so since na-cancel na, so baguhin natin yung solution natin. Wala na pala itong right side natin, 0 na, dahil na-cancel na dito. So, ang gawin na lang natin, itong natira, change natin yung sign. Change natin yung sign, so kasi negative ito eh. So para maging positive, change lang ng sign. 0.3x squared, ayusin natin. Itong x ang isunod natin. So negative, so magiging positive 0.6x and then minus 72. So ngayon, divisible lahat sila or 7.2 pala ito. Divisible lahat yan sa 0.3. I-divide natin lahat sa 0.3. Okay, so divide natin lahat sa 0.3. So therefore, cancel out na ito. So we have x squared plus 0.6 divided by 0.3, that is 2. And then minus 7.2 divided by 3. Parang 0.3 parang 72 divided by 3 lang yan. So ano magiging sagot dyan? 7 divided by 3, that is 2. May x pala dito. So we have 7 divided by 3 is 2. May 1 pa tayo. And then 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So minus 24 equals 0. So ngayon, pwede na natin isolve by factoring factors of x squared, x and x, factors of negative 24 such that the sum is 2. Ang sum daw ay 2. So we have positive 6 and then negative 4. And then, ang solutions natin, equate each factor to 0. X plus 6 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. So, solve natin yung x. So, x equals negative 6. Ito yung extraneous solution. So, mali ito. Ito lang magiging solution natin. Add 4 to both sides. So, therefore, x equals 4. So, kita nyo na kung gaano kahaba ang solution kapag ginamitan natin itong dalawang equations natin. So, x equals 4. And then, kapag trial and error, mas mabilis. Okay, so I suggest trial and error lagi ang gagamitin kapag may ganitong mga problem na na-encounter kayo. Lalo na kung sa civil service exam ito dahil kulang ang oras sa civil service exam. So trial and error lang ang gagamitin natin. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching and kita-kita tayo sa marami pang mga math reviewer para sa civil service exam, SALET, college entrance test, and so on. Okay, so good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.